Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting one profitable niche and defining your deliverable: merch designs, product mockups, or royalty-free stock art. Once decided, assemble 20 reference images and a clear color palette so the AI produces coherent results. Make sure you have generator credits and checked commercial license terms, otherwise you cannot sell. Open a simple image editor and create a template. This saves time. Now run 5 quick prompts to see baseline outputs, and pick the best direction to refine. Now you refine prompts and establish a repeatable workflow. You iterate 10 prompt variations, adjusting style, lighting, and composition until the outputs match your niche. Once done, export in high-res and spend 5 to 10 minutes per image in post for cleanup, color grading, and removing artifacts. This is where buyers notice quality. Make a batch pipeline: templates, prompt presets, consistent file naming, and automated resizing. Then create 50 images to form a launch catalog. Quality and volume work together to attract buyers. To finish, list your polished images across 3 channels: a marketplace, your own shop, and a social post with direct buy info. Price smartly: $5 for non-exclusive files, $25 for limited exclusives, and $100 plus for custom commissions. Bundle to increase average order value. If a platform rejects an image, first recheck licensing, then regenerate prompts with clearer composition instructions, or perform tighter cropping and re-export. If sales stall, tweak keywords, test new thumbnails, and run a small paid promotion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.